Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your smartphone and you will be taken into the homepage, within which you will see the Get Started as well as I'm already registered button. Tap on the second option which says I'm already registered and you will be taken into the login page. Now, if you use your Google account to create your account, you can click on Continue with Google and then proceed with choosing your Google account to log in for a shortcut. Otherwise, click on Continue with Email and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. After entering your email address within the email address box, type in your account password underneath within the password section and then tap on the sign in button. And now you will be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find this security code. After entering this code, your identity will be verified and you will be logged in to your existing account on the Mobills application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Mobills application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.